But yeah, daily bias is definitely long. Be a classic buy week. Thursday makes higher week, and yeah, I mean technically Thursday already has made higher week, but I believe that was uh, yeah, Thursday's only made high of week because of 6 p.m. opening. Technically, this is Thursday now, the daily candle. So that would actually be our main target to make real high of day and high of week on a Thursday. But we'll probably just be quite generous with London high. That would be quite nice. But if we get the CSD on the 15 on the hourly, we should then also get this CSD, and that would be good for longs. Having 8:30 manipulate and 9:30 expand, so we get 15-minute CSD there. Obviously, the hourly candle doesn't close for another 15 minutes, so I'd be looking at potentially 10 a.m. PO3 open low, and then seek the high close. Uh, kind of choppy, but what do you expect? We just had a bank holiday yesterday. Where's first presented fair value gap? Do we even
Bit of
have
a
one
weird
yet?
one, but you'll find it.
Do we even have one yet?
Yeah, we do. It's at 9:36.
Let's have a look. Is that a fair value gap?
Yeah, it's small though.
I don't know if the wicks do that.
My chart it is.
On my chart, it's not.
Okay. We have
See,
a
the
slight.
wicks are over each other. What about on ES? Technically, we've got it here with this like volume imbalance to that wick, but it's a bit ugly. We haven't actually got first presented yet. Very early entry, this 15-minute CSD body. Then again, it is a big candle, so we could just see it retrace deep. We've got this order block as well below. This order block closed above, respected at 9:30, push higher. So yeah, I do think draw on liquidity would be London high. Ultimately this high, because technically that's Thursday's high of week, but it's obviously not during real Thursday's price action. It's only on the daily candle with the new day opening gap. So yeah, there would be your early entry. Also, I hope you like my pajamas.
I got some sick new pajamas as well, man. I ain't been wearing them.
I see the R on
Can't know
that.
where they gone. What did you get? M's for Christmas.
I'll get us like a nice little candle with like penguins on and like some cringy
Bless.
words. And then some like, well, I can't say it because we'll probably watch this, but it's still coming. I'll text you it. It's still being delivered, which is a bit jarring, but I don't even know what that even is. But yeah, she's like obsessed with him.
Oh, I bought my girlfriend one of those like a little bit before Christmas.
Yeah, she's obsessed.
Yeah, she's got like 2 of them now. I bought it for her like this week.
Yeah,
actually. Yeah, they fucking love them for some reason. I've got no idea why.
Neither. But yeah. So that's
Is
coming.
it? Oh no, I can't say. Is it? Because it'll kind of give it away.
But
Fucking hell, price is jarring, bro. What is it?
I believe 10 a.m. should get this hourly CSD. And then we should just manipulate into this body to then expand. But this is quite high resistance because it's got a huge imbalance from London, which is kind of sus because remember in London sell, we make high of day, whatever, we then at New York coming into ERL and then target London ERL. So it is a little bit
This is
sus.
oddly ugly.
It's a bit sus, but daily bias is bullish. So for me, with daily bias being bullish, RL to ERL looking like a London protraction is, don't really mind it. Also on NQ, as you can see, high of day was not formed above midnight. We formed high of day at 1 a.m. So technically that's out of time. This could be a false high of day. This just be a straight manipulation leg to then come high, and it would make sense. A bigger manipulation leg to then target all-time highs. So it does low-key make sense, but yeah, we'd want to wait for this hourly if I'm honest. We've got macro coming now. Coming into this order block, this could be an early entry to get in. Wouldn't really want it, but early entries here for the macro. I'm personally waiting for 10 a.m. because we've got no CSD since low of day. And I'd like to see 10 a.m. close above here. If we don't, the bias could potentially be wrong. And that cap off the week. But yeah, I think higher day at a time, daily bias is bullish. We shall see. But yeah, we can only wait. We can only wait. Where's the other boys at?
Not here. Just fucking
What are
didn't
they
show
doing?
up. What?
But yeah, a bit of a weird day. We're kind of in the middle. Could very much be swing to Z, but we don't hope for swing to Z. Coming
Weird
into
one
this
today.
order block as well, down here. Why is this order block relevant? Because it's timed 5 a.m. These ones aren't as relevant. We are coming into them. These ones are relevant because they're during New York, but this one, because it's timed, it's 5 a.m. So it's London's order block. But yeah, we want to see an hourly close above this one right here, ideally. Lower day does have SMT on it. If we look right here, so lower day
Is it a
made.
payday rider?
Yeah, so I'll show that. Lower day made with SMT. We're also in this 4-hour fair value gap, so that could be a potential low of day. Ideally, where we've had this much of a move, we would prefer if 9:30 took the low, but now we're past 9:30, we don't want to see that low taken because it could act as a classic London protraction, even though it's a bit ugly. Remember, December will just make price and time look a bit funky. But we do have SMT inside a valid PD array. And the daily bias is long. So if we take this low, I'm no longer interested unless we maybe take it at 10, because like last time we made. Do you remember when we made low of day at 10 a.m. and that's still come under New York reversal potentially? Yeah, 10. Do you remember 10:10 made low of day and then we targeted? So maybe we even see that, but yeah, it's ideally we don't see this low taken and we see this order block respected, but
um,
yeah, it wouldn't be very pretty if we did take this low.
not looking good, bro. It's not looking good.
And it looks like we probably will. Which, I mean, if okay, so we're taking the low. So like the other day, 10 a.m. made low of day. Let me scroll to it. When did you trade and show me that? It was here. Yeah, look. Look at my screen. So 10 a.m. made low of day, and that was still technically London, New York reversal to London high, but on this chart it doesn't show it's hitting London high, but on a different chart it does. So yeah, kind of ugly, very ugly. Not the best, if I'm being real. Not very nice price. We're in kind of two minds. Just watching now. I feel like we could come into this. There's no way. Have we got a daily volume imbalance? No. Got one down here. We shouldn't retrace that far. But yeah, we're just watching this 4 hour now. Not very pretty though. Like this huge displacement at 9:45. But then again, on YM, low of day is protected. You see? But then again, lower day is out of time. 8:30 SMT there. But yeah, YM, we're still quite bullish. Being protected. SMT there. So we could potentially just see a 10 a.m. reversal. We will just see.
Bit of a weird day though, in general.
Yeah, man.
Not what I was expecting. Shit, like weird days happen. So
It's all about showing up though. Yeah, if this 9:45 low gets souped and we get SMT, which it does look like we'll get SMT because on YM we're all the way up here, and NQ and ES we're all the way down here. So if 10 a.m. does soup this low, we could still be bullish. Don't let this pretend. Remember, I don't know if I was recording back then, but we are just generating all these lows. And it would
yeah,
be
look at it
nicer.
running up now.
Would be nicer if it got
Yeah,
taken. And remember, this 15-minute candle closes above this order block. We're technically still on for longs because we're expecting bullish PD arrays, aka in this one, discount PD array being London's order block. But ideally, we see, well, we might not get it now because of how much we pushed. 60 points down there. If 10 a.m. suit this, it would be even better. But going off bodies, which is kind of hard because sometimes bodies play out. Like this body's lower day, this body didn't touch it, like closed below it. But then again, wicks are still relevant in a way. YM looks pretty bullish though with that SMT. So it's this kind of being patient, not forcing trades, even on days where you might want to force trades. Obviously, we've had Christmas yesterday, no trades. So yeah, a lot of people aren't even trading today, but when you're obsessed with the game, you just want to show up, and that's part of it. But as long as you're able to show up and not force shit, then we know what we're looking for. We've got the daily bias, we've got the weekly bias, we've got everything that we'd need. We just need to align that with session bias, and so far, I mean, this does look very high resistance to me. because we just have
If we can
big.
just run out fucking London high, that'd be a vicious one.
Yeah, ideally target minimum target is London High and a New York reversal, but for that to happen, I mean it does say 9:30 to 10 to make that, and that would be 9:45, but it's just kind of sketch taking shit. I mean, if the hourly in 30 seconds closes above here, then we're heavy bullish. But I don't think that will happen if I'm being completely honest. Definitely don't think that could happen.
We're about to have bullish CSD.
If we
We got 20.
close
We got
above
20 seconds to bullish CSD.
close above here, heavy bullish, but I don't believe we've got that in us. So yeah,
I do.
it's kind
Fucking
of
preach. Believe.
watching and waiting.
Believe.
Okay, yeah, so we did not get that.
Right. We got bullish CSD. Sweet.
No, we haven't.
Yes, we do.
On NQ.
On the look at it on the 5 minute.
5 minute CSD isn't relevant, bro.
Yes, it is, bro.
No, not as
Yeah,
much.
it is. They're accurate as fuck, man. Come on.
What, more than the higher time frame?
Nah, but like 15 minutes gonna get it as well, innit? And that did not make a bearish CSD either. That's not a bearish CSD.
Yeah, on the hourly we still
Body
have it.
didn't close.
So
Body didn't
the
close under
targets
the.
now would be 9:30 high, London high, and high of high of the daily candle. That would be the main target. It's just about how the fuck we'd get in. That is the question. How do we get in here?
You have to think on that
we
one.
do have a 5 minute CSD, but like, would you trust a 5 minute CSD after that? It's kind of hard.
I would trust it with my life. Trust it with my life, bro.
So does that mean that you're taking that right now?
Yeah, fuck it, why not?
Oh god, that was a joke. I didn't mean that.
No, I want to see it across the first presenter first.
Yeah, do we actually have that now? 9:36 is invalid. We've got this one here, 9:50. Well, 9:48.
9:48 as well.
9:48, and we've actually just well, we haven't even traded to 50%, but yeah, I mean, we could very much. So that's our 5 minute CSD. That is our. What is that line above me, brother? Oh. I'll just delete that now. Got a 5 minute CSD there. Maybe we soup this low, go up, take the soup. Bro.
I just waiting for something to happen. Bit of a late lower day, can't lie, but
I mean, if 10 a.m. makes it, maybe. I mean, it's giving you entries on the 5 minute CSD. It's just whether you trust that.
I trust it. It's I think from what I've seen so far during that 9:30, CSDs on the 5 minute have been pretty valid.
I'd much rather see us close above first presented though. That's what I'd rather see.
Yeah, that too, but
We could bounce price from this CSD to above here. Even a close above 50 could be quite promising. 5 minute candle hasn't really done much. If we close above, well, actually we have done. That's our opening. If we can close above here, that would be quite cute. Even 50% would be pretty bullish to me. The only thing is though, where'd your stop loss go? Would it go here? Would it go here? Would it go there?
I'd say pop it. I'd say pop it just under the fucking order block.
Which one? Here.
Where the wicks are right now.
The CSD. So you put your stop down here.
Wait a minute. Let me look at your chart. Go on the 1 minute.
The RR is a bit collapsed. I mean, it's 2R. It's 2R. But
shit. I mean, if you're happy with that, then
we're still in a macro, I suppose.
Yeah, shit.
Okay, bearish manipulation on the next 5 minute candle, meaning distribution should be to this next high here. Hopefully we get a close above 50%. That'd be pretty nice. Yeah, I wouldn't really want to trade until we close above here. But
I think you should have taken the first presented as just display stopping.
well, we'd need a close above it before that.
Alright, yeah, fair enough.
But I don't know, stop loss is a bit ugly. Suppose you've got like very minor SMT there. But yeah, for me, stop loss is, there's no real solid reason for a stop loss right now. I suppose we've got a breaker here. Low, high, lower, low, higher, high. This breaker, potentially. Put it below the breaker maybe. Maybe even put it below the order block for safer stop. But yeah, I think the main resistance right now is
That's probably your entry if you want to get in right now. There's about a good one as you're gonna get before the fucking displacement. Should displace like real soon.
see the body
Real.
closing.
We're about to have it in 10 seconds. Don't be a fucking prick, Price. I fucking beg you, you cunt.
Tapping back into the 5 minute CSD. It also doesn't look like we're going to
Fuck
take
me.
this low now, 10 a.m. So this very much could be IRL to ERL low of day. Just saying. It's kind of weird. Both biases are there. Both biases are present. There's no one clear bias. It's really hard to trade that. But regardless, after this, I say we backtest regardless.
Awful, bro. Not what I like to see. Not what I like to see at all.
Yeah, this very much could be IRL to ERL low of day, which is hard, especially when the daily is bullish. I suppose you could argue that previous day high has been met, meaning that could be high of week into a 4 hour, well, huge gap here. I suppose you've got an inverse one more specifically there. We have got S&T on higher week, so maybe we flip biases right now. Because you've got to remember there was no Wednesday's price, so Monday, Tuesday, low of week, Thursday high of week, Friday can then close inside the range. It's hard. It's hard. There's nothing really right now. Suppose you got this really early 5 minute CSD here. If we get that to change biases, but yeah, I don't know. It's not very nice right now.
This is horrid.
I mean, yeah, if you wanted short bias, you'd wait for 10:10, hop in on that CSD. It's a very early CSD, but depends on how much you are convicted of the alternate bias. If we run this low before 10:15, that would be a clear New York reversal, but I don't think we'll run that much. We'll see though. 60 points to run in the space of 5 minutes. It's doable, but it's also not. So we've got that 5 minute CSD confirmed now. Right there. Very early
This
CSD.
can go lower.
So we could very much target a low of day, and it'd just be a classic sell day with Monday and Tuesday low of week, Thursday high of week, and Friday closing off
Seriously?
the range.
How shit is that?
It's because we've only had 4 days this week to trade, that's why. But yeah, if we look, we did a 500 point move in the space of, well, 2 days, Monday, Tuesday. And then Thursday higher week. It's very possible. Got S&T on higher week as well. You can see there. So very much could be higher week now, and we're just closing back inside the range to switch biases. It's hard though. It's just weird because yesterday wasn't a trading day, so Wednesday couldn't do anything for us.
Aunties do not romantically love their husbands. Oh, that is the worst thing. I think that's the worst thing. Welcome to Hear Me Out.
It's a shite, man.
It's not very good.
Not at all pleased with this.
I mean, what did we really expect? Day after a bank holiday. Could be swing to Z, that could be the issue. Swing to Z. But then again, where we have opened so low, the move up into alleged Z could be our buy move, but be hard to have conviction on a day like this, especially when we've respected first presented 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times and displaced out of it. You know? But then again, the macro hasn't really delivered anywhere. The macro's range, sort of. If you look where the macro opened here. We're now there. The macro's done nothing. The macro's done 10 points. Well, we've still got Well, actually, macro's done, and we delivered 20 points macro. What is that macro? Macro is nothing. We could just see a 1050 macro reversal. This just looks like swing to Z, if I'm being real. Like, look at this shit. That's high of day. That's low of day. Both big fair value gaps. Gap here, gap here. This could just be swing to Z, and it would make sense because day after bank holiday equals consolidation. But yeah, kind of not what you want to see, but expected. I don't even think many people are trading today, you know, which you shouldn't be trading. But me and
London
Brannis,
highs even a target anymore.
are just crazy.
Not sure if London's even really like a target now.
Well, London would be the target if it was a New York reversal, which, well, the timings haven't aligned for a New York reversal, so but then again, YM still has SMT there. But I'm recording all this anyways.
Bit of a fucking weird one. But also, it's something malicious.
This would be a great time to play 8-ball pool.
Yeah, absolutely nothing is happening. Wait a minute.
The next timing to be relevant is 10:30. Then
Absolutely nothing going on.
then 10:50 macro. And then
How do you get that much ranging? Lord, give me strength. Fucking do something.
then this is where
Do something.
the term "don't force your bias on low probability day" come from. Because yeah, we know our shit, but like on days where it doesn't want to play nice, like it's not even worth trying to do that shit. Trying to cook. But we'll see. I'll probably stop looking. Well, there's not really much. 1050 macro is like the last one. Like, there's not really much point watching anything else. 1050 macro will be the last thing for me. We took that
Looking like
low.
nothing going on.
Took that low like I Said we could. So post 10:30, we're gonna run 100 points on a day after Christmas. Highly doubt that. It's more like swing to Z, which I don't know. At least we showed up. Not a lot of people would. Remember, we're still in that 5-minute CSD. We measure that. Still working that
It's
upper
genuinely
portion.
starts.
Yeah, working the upper portion of that 5-minute CSD. Not like I just think swing to Z. Honestly, it would make sense. It would make sense. And this is what makes me not want to trade January, because if this is what we're gonna have for 2 weeks, it's just a bit of a wasted 2 weeks, you know. Like, if this is what it's gonna be like in January, I might as well just not rebuild.
I've got a bug of this. But nothing is happening. Absolutely nothing is happening.
I think swing to Z makes sense. I mean, do you want a back test?
Here, what's set a back test on a swing to Z? We're in the middle of a range, which is where a swing to Z is going to finish. So wherever would you target?
No, like, do you want to do FX replay after this?
Yeah, can do.
I'll end the recording at after 10:50 macro, then we'll do back testing. But yeah, not a very pretty day. There's nothing much really to do than just watch and watch shit do. We get displacement out of this CSD, maybe could see something, but I doubt 10:30 will run 100 and something points the day after Christmas. You got to think, it's Boxing Day. People are at home watching the football. Bankers are not there. This is the strictly algorithmic trading. That's it. But yeah, daily is long bias, and we ain't seeing what we want to see. So there's nothing much you can do than not touch it, you know. Because if you traded against the daily bias, you'd be breaking your rules. And then if your daily bias then played out, you'd be pissed. So stick to your daily bias. It's not there to just be done. It's there to give you a direction and a narrative.
Look, man. Look.
Yeah, so we're getting displacement out of that CSD. But remember, the next key time for it to do anything would be 10:30. I mean, if we can close above this first presented, I wouldn't mind a little scalp. Probably quite low risk, you know. Probably low risk. If we can get a close above 50, it'd be probably quite cute. But there you go, close above 50. Maybe here's your entry right now.
Entry was way low.
Oh, you're already in?
Yeah, I was in way earlier.
Where did you get in?
On one of the down closing candles in the 5 minutes. I got a pretty low entry. I was quite lucky, actually.
Where's your stop loss?
Just under the current 5 minute low.
Fair enough.
Pretty chill entry.
Pretty chill. I mean, yeah, we got to close above. Would have to be a wide stop, but I mean, maybe that's calm. Damn. Maybe we shoot 50%. We got a full close above. Is this forcing a trade? Not really.
I wouldn't say so.
Not really forcing it. We'll put a limit on.
This could be the run of glory.
See if it misses me. It might miss me. Yeah, this might miss me here.
Super weird card.
Okay, we're filled. Got SMT on the 5-minute low as well. Let's just see. Probably move to break even after we take this high, probably. Current New York high. If we do take current New York high, that'd be quite a nice sign. Pretty nice sign. But yeah, we did want to see close above. We didn't get it here. Manipulated. And then we should see it. If we take that high, yeah, break even. We should be quite nice if we do take the high. Maybe we even close, but we'll see, we'll see.
I swear this gets boring sometimes. Watch it bounce around.
Well,
It's super
10:30
weird.
is approaching. So 10:30 to 11 could make high of day. So the move would be 10:30 to 11. We'd be looking for a lot of volume to come in to the market. Yeah, we take that higher of session. I'm happy. I'm happy. Oh, got a nice little shot of Brannis's tummy over Christmas.
Oh shit! That's the wife. Hello, sunshine. Hi. That's good then, yeah. How is everything? Is it easy, complex? That's good.
Like took like a lot of time.
Yeah, I believe that. Yeah, it does usually. You didn't accidentally take the bomb with you to the airport, did you? Right. Good. Good people.
We kind of never bring home for thing.
You might. Sweet.
Okay, let's take a quick and album.
PlayStation. Right. That was a bit of a pointless call, but alright.
What's she saying?
She just said that she just got through the gate and now she doesn't know where she's going.
How long was the flight?
Then she said, "Oh wait, huh?
How long was the flight?
Like 2 hours or something."
It's not bad.
Like But she hasn't taken off yet, but she will soonish.
How long's she there for? Like a week?
No, like 4 days or something.
That's cute, man. What does she get?
Fucking 500 euros.
What's she
Send
get?
her
What
there,
does she
though.
get you? What does she get you?
Huh?
What does she get you?
Oh, what did she get me? She got me pajamas and socks.
Damn, bro, you're lucky as fuck.
Yeah, bro.
No, it's the thought that counts.
Yeah.
You know, it's the thought that counts.
Yeah, it's the thought that counts. And obviously, I'm working more than she is, so
Yeah.
I can afford more.
Who's her mate?
Some girl called Sasha, who's like used to be her best buddy back in Ukraine when they were kids or some shit.
That's cute, man. That is cute.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
yeah. That would be really fucking cool if we could hit Hive Day somehow.
That is not what I wanted.
No, imagine if we hit Higher Day. That would be solid as shit. Because obviously you got Lower Day at 450, which is a good time. No, 10:50. I mean,
9:50.
yeah, no, 450. I look at it online. I'm gonna go get some salmon and bread. I'm hungry.
I mean, we look like we might be taking current Hive session, so what are you thinking? Salmon and bread is nice, you know. I like salmon and bread. Smoked salmon is crazy.
Sorry, she's calling. Hello? Hello? Wonderful. I'm just eating right now. I literally gave you money so you can go get something.
Like overpriced. Like crazy. I will never spend this money on it.
Okay. Well, but I gave you money so that you can go get something though, like
I just don't want like
they just don't take cash. They just don't take cash, yeah.
I have like
Okay.
I have like
That's great. Oh, if you need money, I can send you money. Okay. Fair enough. Well, no, go on. You can't message me. You can't. Alright then. We'll do that then. Then we'll talk later then. Okay. Oh, well, just get yourself something to eat anyway then. And just, you might be hungry on the plane and then we'll chat later, yeah? Alright then. Bye-bye. Bye. Have you seen that meme on Instagram where like the girlfriend calls and like, hey, I'm eating popcorn right now and it's really good. I swear that is not a call like that. Hey, I'm sitting. Yeah? Yeah. And I'm waiting. Yeah? Crazy.
Not gonna lie, yeah. Salmon and bread sounds lovely. Also, I've decided this trade either hits stop loss or it hits take profit.
We're not going to break even it.
Maybe, but I don't know. We've hit stop loss.
I think a bit. I think you just got to be a G and fucking take it how it goes.
Just firm stop loss or take profit.
Yeah, fuck it.
So I just fucking leave the.
Because
So I just close the charts.
if you're rebilling anyway,
Yeah.
why would you need a stop loss?
Real talk.
You're not having any salmon. Fuck off, cat.
I want a fucking salmon.
No, the fucking cat's like creeping over to me. It gives you no attention all day, and then I break out the fish and it starts fucking creeping over. Fucking greedy little prick.
Yeah, I reckon either his stop loss or we hit take profit. Simples.
We should take profit.
London high.
Fucking hell. Right, fair enough.
These candles aren't very. We ain't moving. We're just respecting this order block right now. I mean, 1050 macro could just send us to the moon. We can't have like lower day and higher day on London. Gotta take either one of them, or we've just taken London low, so.
You'll get scale left over.
I'm respecting this first presented the whole time.
I swear down, when I first discovered trading, it was advertised to be a bit more exciting than this. Where the fuck is my yacht?
Bro. Real talk.
I'm just fucking sitting with salmon.
Maybe if you traded
In my
Forex,
wonderful-
it'd be a bit more exciting.
Forex?
Yeah, mate.
Forex is shite.
I know.
Forex.
I was joking.
Yeah, fucking hell, like zero liquidity and
Yeah.
spread.
Oh yeah, spread. Just,
Yeah, fucking Forex spread is horrible.
Spread is grim, bro. That makes me feel sick.
Nasdaq's lovely. There's like barely any spread whatsoever.
Bro, there's like none in it. There's literally like none.
Mm.
What's it? I've got a 0.5 tick. Well, 0.25 tick. So that's 1 tick spread. Like, come on.
There's nothing, bro.
So yeah, we take that.
But I don't understand.
Nice.
Like why spread exists? Like why is spread not equal
So
for each and every asset?
So the brokers make money.
Yeah, but
Spread
if you're a
and
broker that's
commission.
covering multiple different assets, so let's say they're covering Euro USD and Nasdaq, why would the spread be different?
To be fair, Euro USD it can be different to NAS because it's a Forex broker, not the futures version. Like, so I get that, but yeah, it's mainly just so that, like, even I don't know if I've got commissions on my funded futures, but to put on a contract, you have to pay commission. Right, targeting. Well, not targeting, but current eyes are on Hive session.
What's your favourite food?
Like what? Snacks or?
Just like what's your favourite like a guilty pleasure food? You know, like the food that like oh I shouldn't be eating this, but I'm eating it anyway.
I'll show you.
I remember way back in the day, there used to be a pulled pork burger
These
in
things right
Burger
here.
King.
These things right here. Are scram.
Right. Coming? Fucking shit, right, load now. One sec.
Bugles.
Noodles?
Wait, I'll send you a picture.
Yeah, fucking Discord's not even loading.
Bugles.
Oh, Bugles, yeah, they're fucking bang. I love them. I haven't had any of them since I've been in Estonia.
Bro, they're my
The
favourite
Bugles are
crisps.
amazing.
Favourite crisps ever.
Yeah, they're fucking bang.
Or maybe like curly whirlies.
Yeah, they're good as well. It's another thing you don't get in Estonia.
Smoked salmon is banging.
Yeah, smoked salmon's
I
great.
think what I'll do with my first payout is I'll just have a big feast of all the
Or
foods
just
I
smoked
like.
salmon.
Yeah, just smoked salmon, bro.
Yeah, in Burger King, like way back in the day, they used to do a thing like it was like a pulled pork burger.
Oh,
And then they stopped doing it like a month later. And it was the best thing I've ever eaten, and it's fucking gone.
tell you what, Burger King over Mackey's any day of the week.
I fucking like McDonald's has dropped in quality so much. I mean, it never was like really, really good, but now it's like horrible.
What about Wendy's loaded fries with cheese and bacon? Oh man,
Never had a Wednesday.
we've got one now in Southend. Yeah, bro. Bossy.
Uh-oh. Dropping. Hopefully just tag this order block and off we go in. Hopefully.
No, I'll be tagging first presented, won't it?
Oh, yeah.
So that would actually be me break even right there. I'd have hit break even. Because I said after we take the high, I'll be gone. But that high is a swing high. Swing highs a premium arrays, meaning once we take it, we can return it to discount. So if we go break even, you get fucked there.
Yes, sir.
I do wonder what 1050 macro will do.
Fucking chill. Fucking how much is it gonna fucking fall? Gotta relax, my guy. Gotta relax.
I got entry literally on 50%. Like exactly on 50%.
Come on, keep it running, bro.
I'm not stressing.
Bev.
Are you stressing?
I'm not stressing. I'm just watching and shit. We
You
got a
not-
little tag off that order block. Yeah.
And the first
They haven't got
presented.
closed though.
First presented.
On the 5 minutes. Got a 5-minute order block.
Oh yeah.
That should
We're chilling,
catapult
bro.
us
We're
further.
chilling. We've also got S&T on Nasdaq. Nasdaq's more bullish. Look, this thoroughly up here taken, not on Nas. So, well, it hasn't closed yet, but Nas is looking more bullish, which is what we like to see.
It's actually so shit that we're in separate countries. We'd be having a blast in England.
But imagine if we actually did have. Imagine if we lived in the same place, bro.
Yeah, that same house and that.
Oh yeah.
I was about to say some fucked up shit, and then I remember that you're still recording.
Text me it. I just don't want to. I don't want to edit it. I don't want to edit this because I can't be asked to edit. It's like over an hour and a bit long, probably. Yeah, we've been recording for an hour. I can't be asked to edit, bro. Don't do that to me. Really don't want to edit my video, bro. It's supposed to be a raw. Right, right. Now that's crazy because what you first told me when we hopped on call.
We got 30 seconds before we kick off that fucking order block again.
How are you talking like you didn't just say the maddest thing ever? How are you continuing like that?
Come on, bro. We've got 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Close above that order block.
See,
Close above it, brother.
middle line of this 50% gap is still respecting, which is just gorgeous.
Yeah. We're chilling. I'm not liking how it's pulling back now.
I just want to see. No, that could just be manipulation for 1050 macro inside of these gaps.
Yeah. We've also got like a big old fair value gap on the 5 minute. Look on the 15-minute quickly.
Also,
See what's going on.
we've got S&T on our stop loss low. Look, this low here doesn't get taken.
Oh yeah.
So we're showing signs we're bullish.
No, yeah.
And we either hit take profit or we hit stop loss because
So messy day though. I think any kind of dub on this day is a fucking big dub.
well, yeah, I could easily start taking partials after we take that new high, then the new high. But
it is really, really ugly.
Regardless of if we even get it during the morning, I still think PM session will take London high and high of day. Honestly, I do. I don't think high of week would be put in out of kill zone, you know?
Yeah.
It's just not likely. But yeah, 50% is holding.
I swear down, like trading on New Year's Eve, on Christmas Eve, that was the easiest trading day ever. It's just like you can't go wrong with it. Just long, and you'll be fine.
Are you trading tomorrow then? Because we've got we haven't really got any.
Am I trading tomorrow? Probably.
Yeah.
I don't really tend to miss days out. So.
I mean, even if we don't trade, we can just watch it regardless. But.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I'm in my Christmas PJs, getting in the work. You know, we're chilling, bro. We're chilling.
Yeah, we're chilling, bro.
We're chilling, homie.
Yeah. We seriously got to do some back testing on the daily time frame though, because it's fairly easy to analyze.
We'll do it on FX replay after this.
Yeah.
We've got 1050
even if you're just predicting if the next day is a long or a short, you should be alright.
Well, tomorrow should be shorts if we make high of week today.
Should be.
Because Monday, Tuesday, low of week, Thursday, high of week, Friday, close inside the range.
Yes, sir.
But we'll see what this macro does. We should see a bit more volatility kick in. And 11 to 11.14 should see a bit of volatility kick in. But we're chilling, bro. We accept the risk.
Much of it just dumps. Fucking macro comes and just plummets straight down to the daily low.
We accept the risk, bro. If this hits stop loss, then it's just a lesson, isn't it? But we can't lose. We can't lose. If we win, we win. But if we lose, we don't lose. We learn to win for the next day. So there's no L's that take part in trading anymore. It's
you get participation trophies in it.
Yeah, bro. But yeah, if this hits stop loss, that just means swing to Z, and that's calm. Don't matter. It's a weird day after Christmas. What do you expect? Do you expect to run 300 points? Probably not. Probably not. We'll
Nah,
do the
we
bare
could go with
minimums. We'll probably take current high of week out, do the bare minimums, but we'll see.
I swear this was like the first Christmas where I did absolutely nothing. And, but like no fucks given like the whole of Christmas. I just laid in bed.
I was wondering, you wasn't really celebrating because I was like, oh, I'm out, and you was like, bro, hop on, and I'm thinking, bro, go celebrate.
Yeah, no, I like, I don't know, like,
What did you do?
I
Did you have
just,
Christmas dinner?
no, bro, like, literally nothing. I ate, what did I eat yesterday?
You have a Christmas dinner, bro?
No, bro, I didn't eat anything, actually.
Oh,
I ate I ate I just had salmon yesterday. I saw that it. I was just at home. I was a bit tired, so I just ate salmon.
do you not like Christmas
I
dinner,
think I
bro?
had a hot. Nah, bro. Like,
Not really.
I don't really talk with like my family much no more. And my little brother tells me that they got problems with me. I said I don't really care. But I'm the bad influence of the family because I drop school for work and I trade. So like yeah, I'm like shunned in the family. But they can say what the fuck they want because they're living on a farm and I'm out in dead center of the city. So
Yeah, man. With a girlfriend.
they can keep talking. I don't care.
With a nice girl. Bro,
Haters, bro. Haters.
for real, man.
But yeah, like, I remember when I first told my dad that I want to be a professional trader. He laughed at me and he said that I'm too dumb for it. And after that, I never mentioned it to him again. So I don't know if he knows if I'm doing it or not, but still am. But it is what it is. It be your own sometimes. But either way, they're living on some shit farm, and I'm not. So
That's all it is, bro.
I'm
Making it.
not really complaining. It sounds like a them problem.
Yeah, man. Yeah, 950 macro, 1050 macro. We're tapping into that 15-minute CSD from earlier, as you can see here.
Yeah.
Tapped into it, closed back above, tapping back into
There
it.
we go.
Yeah, should see a bit of volatility kicking to the markets. Should at least take this high. Maybe a good partial at the high, but
We're waiting for London to get taken out. Where's my music at? I was searching for a song all morning. Like I heard like a note in like one of the songs that Cut was playing, and it reminded me of a different song. And then I just couldn't get that fucking like little note out of my head. I just kept playing with like different songs from my head, and then I just kept searching until I eventually found it. It's a Shakira song. Can't remember to forget you, and it's a fucking banger. I love this song. It's a banger, instant like, very 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 good.
that's a banger. Too cool
Banger of a song.
Too cool to be careless.
Yesterday's mistakes. I see only selective memory. So different. Oh, here we go. Follow. Banger song. Fucking macro is doing like fuck all so far. Actually, I'll tell a lie. I had like a little bit of climb from it.
Also, it looks like 11 o'clock we'll get an hourly CSD too, as you can see here. So if 11 a.m. gets that hourly CSD, we should just run after that.
Should do.
But yeah, we either hit stop loss or take profit. That's it.
Yes, sir. It's a banger song. It's like Rihanna and Shakira together. Double whammy. Love them both. It's a banger too. Fight. He's like La Rosa.
Let's see what 11 a.m. does.
Jesus Christ, man. Keep it running. Fucking hell. What does Price want to do? Obviously, Price in general wants to pump higher. But like this is frustrating. I do wonder if there is like an easier asset to trade. Like what is genuinely like the easiest asset to trade?
Maybe gold. But
I thought gold's supposed to be a hard one. But isn't like
gold.
Forex supposed to be like really easy? That's probably why it's got such high spreads.
Forex is supposed to be easy, but you actually have to do a lot more work than NAS. Forex, you have to research.
I don't know. I mean, like Forex is like, eh.
No,
It's alright.
Forex, you have to have an understanding of what's going on in the world, not just like news, but like real news, like other shit. NAS is pretty simple. News gets used as a smokescreen to make lower day, higher day, and then we just trade using daily bias. So technically, NAS is kind of easier. It's cleaner. There's less spread. There's no spread actually. There's probably, I don't think there is. Well, if you count one ticker as spread, then yeah, fair. There's spread, but I don't really.
There's no such thing as a spread this asset. Like, fucking your broker's always going to take a little bit off you.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
You mean?
But yeah,
There we
we're
go.
just patient.
A bit of move upwards now.
We're
Move upwards now. How far away are we?
To
Measuring
London
tool out.
We are.
Right, we're not that crazy far. When you're using the measuring, we're 74 pips away.
Yeah, for mine it's 82. That's really not that far away, if I'm being honest.
That's really not that far away. Yeah.
That's pretty doable. Especially if this 1 hour gets a CSD right there at 11 a.m. 11 a.m. should take off.
Why did we never trade individual company assets, like just a Tesla stock or Microsoft or whatever?
I don't know, bro. I feel like there's a lot of bad word
Tesla
about it.
has an extremely low spread. Extremely low.
Do you wonder if stocks run off the same time that we use on NAS? Should do.
Tesla's like Tesla's American, obviously. It probably is just as easy. I don't know. I mean, we can probably backtest Tesla sometime if we get fucking bored. Slap some trend lines on it, whatever. That's a joke. Don't be slapping trend lines on anything. But yeah, it's a long day. It's a long day.
If we
like
take out current high, could be quite bullish. pretty bullish signs.
We're
We're not too far away from target, maybe.
Paradise,
We're
paradise,
74 points away from target.
paradise.
That's really doable.
Every time she goes, 65 points away.
Are you targeting the body or are you targeting the wick?
Oh, come on, the wick and the body are practically touching. Right?
No, they're not. Look on my chart.
The wick is. A minute. Your shit's still loading. Wait a minute. I'm gonna jump out the
Body and the
call.
wick are 5 minutes.
Wait a minute.
Yeah, body and the wick
Oh.
are 5 points difference. Not like it means much, but yeah, hourly candle is about to close. We're about to get the hourly CSD to confirm low of day.
If you hit this take profit, will you pass your funding?
No comment. No comment, but yes.
Fair enough. Love to hear that.
We do love to hear that.
Paradise. 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 Come on, Price. Keep it running, bro.
Right, 11 a.m. Let's
Let's
see.
keep it moving.
We might not even come all the way down to that 1 hour CSD. Might just bounce off this 15-minute order block. Now, the reason why in this recording there hasn't been any watching of PD arrays other than entry is because I've been waiting for this hourly CSD to confirm and then the PD arrays after to support price. So until we got the 1 hour CSD, I wasn't really fussed in anything. Now we have got that, I do want to see bullish PD arrays hold price and maybe not even come to here. Yeah, let's see what this 15-minute order block does. Yeah, looking pretty bullish so far. So ES has already ran that high, hence why we're kind of dilly-dallying around it. Dow Jones is honestly fucking gone. Dow Jones is fucked. I'm actually gonna mark hive down.
Dow Jones is always. What the fuck? I mean, Dow Jones is always messy, though, isn't it? Like, I never have high expectations for Dow Jones because it's so shit.
Well,
Also,
Dow Jones actually made high of day during London session, but it still didn't tap into anything. So technically, London high is the target. But
also the stronger pair is looking at S&P 500 now. We're getting more displacement for them.
But not gonna lie.
It's alright.
What do we?
It's alright.
What do you?
Alright.
How would you feel about Dow Jones taking London high? Would you then just close?
If it did it right now somehow.
If it did it in like the next, I don't know.
Whenever.
If Dow Jones.
How far away is it? I will buy you a kebab. Whichever kebab you want, if it takes it within the next hour somehow.
I'm on a call.
That's fucking literally impossible.
Right.
Yeah, there's no way. There's no way it does that. Yeah, no, that's. I haven't got Dow Jones data. What? Why the fuck is Dow Jones not showing me any data?
Yeah, Dow Jones is 13 points away from London high.
Oh, for me it shows it's like fucking like 80 points away. That doesn't make no sense. For me it's showing that it's 143 points away. Right, so that makes sense. Where's my Dow Jones data delayed? Like MNQH 2025, yeah?
No, that's Nasdaq.
Oh my god, I'm looking at Nasdaq. What the fuck? I'm actually a retard. What
Okay,
the fuck
so
was Dow Jones one?
MYM.
C-bot, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Taking his breath. Oh yeah, shit. No, Dow Jones. Yeah, for me, it showed it wasn't doing anything. No, Dow Jones is doing good. The fuck.
So if Dow Jones
Uh,
takes this London high, are you
if,
closing or are you holding?
that's a tricky one.
It's a hard
I
question.
would like to see ideally that we like 2 out of 3 assets take it. Ideally, but then again, if 2 out of 3 have already taken it, the third one likely to.
Nah, it
I
just
don't know.
won't
I
need to. It
don't
won't
know.
need
That's
to.
that's a weird one.
I feel like if MYM takes high London high, I feel like we might have to go break even. If not, just close full. Because I've been in a trade last time where I was targeting London high. ES took it, and the minute it took it, it straight reversed, and I hit break even, and I could have just closed profit. So if we take London high, I might just close fully. Not gonna lie, may have to be done. Because yeah, ideally we take it, but I reckon that's why we're taking so long to take current high, because YM is almost there. I reckon we could even take current high when YM takes London high, and I can't lie, I'd probably close when YM does that. Not gonna lie. We'll see. I can close out. I'll just keep MYM open. So we haven't even come into this 15-minute order block yet. Just still pretty bullish. Pretty bullish sign. If we're not even coming there, you know. Pretty bullish. Neither for the 1 hour CSD. Haven't even come into it. Dow Jones got the 1 hour CSD at 10.
Probably be paying more attention to Dow Jones and.
But yeah, we'll see. If we take this high, I'll probably close all of it. Not gonna lie.
Just whatever, really.
I don't mind it. Tomorrow's a clear day to trade, and as you've been pointing out, that is very valid. Fridays are kind of clean. Low key.
Yeah, like I ain't seen one day where Friday's been messed yet.
For real. Fridays.
Yeah, we have got an hour CSD shit. Ale, ale, ale. Ale, ale, ale. Ale, ale, ale. I can't lie, I'm actually gonna die of boredom without my beautiful wife here.
Yeah.
Without her yelling at me, what am I supposed to do?
Why do you fly Marco over, mate?
Huh?
Fly Marcus over.
Fly Marcus over?
Is it a Mako or is it
Marcus lives here, bro.
Oh.
Marcus lives in a stone.
Get him to come drive down there. What's he doing?
Yeah, I'm gonna get a prick to come here.
Also, speaking of what is he doing, where the fuck are the rest of the
Yeah,
boys?
he lives in Estonia. He said, "Not sure, cutie pie." Be sure then. Yeah, because he's got a kebab date with me coming up.
I remember that.
We like smacked the TP, and I just said like, "Fuck it, let's both get kebabs."
Yeah,
Just because I just love.
ES run out that high
I'm just.
already. ES looks more
No,
bullish.
it ain't.
ES looks way more.
I
Imagine
guess they run out that. Oh no, you mean that high? Yeah, yeah.
this current high that we're just displacing away from. Took it 10%.
Nasdaq, get a fucking move on, please.
We're still, if we take it now in 10 seconds, that would be the macro completed. But we might not. We may not. We might not. We may not.
No. Oh shit.
Okay. So just because macros
Oh,
doesn't...
Nasdaq, you're actually a prick, Nasdaq. You're genuinely a prick sometimes.
I mean, now would be a good time to go break even.
Oh, I was break even long ago. I was break even long time ago.
Good time to go break even. Run
Long
out the high.
time ago.
Now we could get full displacement to TP now, but
Would be nice.
yeah, we break even right now, which I didn't really want to do, but I don't like the chop, so
You gotta do what you gotta do, Drew.
yeah, man. Realistically, I'd go break even. Now we've taken that high, we could actually start displacing. We're not actually that far. We're only...
I mean, if you start running for like the daily high, then
70 points away. ES is closer, I believe. ES is... Okay. ES is 10 points away from London high. Unless I'm doing it wrong.
Yeah, fucking Nasdaq has moved up like how many points? Like 3?
Yeah, ES is 10 points away. So if
Good
ES...
job, Nasdaq. You've done a fucking 3-point move. Thank you.
If ES and YM take London high, I'm closing. Don't know about you, but
it would probably be ideal to close it. Yeah.
I wouldn't be stupid and give... I mean, I wouldn't give back all this profit. We're break even now. We could give it all back now, but I think it's pretty clear that London high is going to be taken regardless. Like, YM is...
What's your thoughts on daily high though?
We should do that.
Yeah. How about you wait until they take out daily high at a minimum?
I mean, I wouldn't need to, if you get what I'm saying. I wouldn't actually need to do that.
Why not?
If London high gets taken, it's done.
But what if it wants to take out daily high too?
Because if London high gets taken, profit target is met.
Oh, we're gonna take it on ES. Very
Right,
close.
as soon as one of them takes it, I think I'm done. I'll close. We're 71 points away on NAS. We are 11 points away on MES.
NAS needs to get a move on, bruv. What is this, fam?
On YM.
Fucking get a move on, bruv.
Imagine we just get a 100-point candle right now.
That would be so cracked. That would be lovely. Come on, Nasdaq, make my day, bruv. Give me a 100-point candle.
What, in 1 minute?
Fuck, give me a 1,000-point candle. Just go like straight through it.
Alright, so I call Goldman and say release NFP right now.
Yeah. Release a bullish NFT immediately, bro.
Right now.
Oh, I mean, we're still gaining, but like, fucking hell, is it slow? It's easier to look at it on the 5 minute. On the 5 minute, it stresses me out a bit less.
Yeah, for real.
Like the 1 minute candles. 1 minute candles give me high blood pressure. Like I can't be dealing with that.
For real, bro.
I,
Look
I,
at all
I
this
see I see
shit.
one red candle and my timbers be shivering.
Yeah, look at all this shit, bro. 5 minute we're calm, but the
Yeah,
fucking
5
1
minute we're just relaxing, but the 1 minute is like hell no.
I really hope
No.
I really hope Naz has a nitrous speed boost to that high and takes it before both of them. I beg, come on.
It's that's like when you what fucking tongue is it? That's like when you got like horse betting and you bet on the horse with only 3 legs. Come on, bruv, you can win it. I swear to God, you can win it.
No, it would be funny, innit? But no, it does look like YM will probably take that shit. But then again, YM always does shit first. ES is way more conf, but what are you saying? You waiting for ES or are you waiting for YM?
I'd say yes, probably.
I don't know, bro. I might do YM.
Dang.
I just don't want to give
But
shit.
just whichever one gets there first. Like ES is not moving. None of them are moving much. They're all kind of just chilling.
No, YM is. YM is literally about to take it, I think.
Well, I am still a space.
Nah, bro, it's got like 1 pip.
How,
Okay,
how much cash you grabbed on it so far?
I just closed.
It's just closed? It
Yeah.
hasn't taken it.
YM has.
No, it hasn't.
Yeah, it has.
No, I'm looking at it on my chart right now.
Bro,
No, it
look at
hasn't.
my chart. I've got proper data. Bro, you're 10 minutes behind. You've got delayed data. Shut up.
You're 10 minutes behind.
Because if you don't have the data, you have delayed data because you haven't got the tier 1 data. Trust me.
Wouldn't that be like just like a literal cheat code then?
No, it's 10
If you
minutes.
got data that's 10 minutes ahead,
It's 10
you
minutes
can just tell me what's going to
behind.
happen.
No, because you can't trade delayed data. That's what I'm saying.